doesn't work very well anymore. We're not going to use Pump.Fun. Instead, we're going to use the Luna Launchpad, and that way, your token will show up right away on dexscreener. I'll leave the link to the website in the description. First, I open dexscreener and pick any token that's currently trending. I need to choose a good popular token to copy because this helps attract more buyers. I found a random token that's doing well, and if it was launched today, even better. I copy the name, symbol, and image. I'm going to launch 1 billion tokens, but you can launch as many as you want. Then I write a random description. It can be funny or more detailed. And now comes the most important part. The new feature, we're going to replace the token creator info. More specifically, we'll add a whale wallet instead. We can change the creator info in the smart contract metadata, but you'll still be the real owner. This is the trick that brings in free buyers to your memecoin. There are services that show tokens being launched in real time. In fact, there are a lot of them, and they're watched by hundreds of thousands of buyers. Now check the token creator info. We need to find a creator wallet with a lot of Solana in it. We'll launch our token with low liquidity, like just 1 Solana. This will show up on all those platforms. Buyers and bots will see it, and they'll also see that the creator's wallet holds a lot of Solana. When they see that, they assume the creator added low liquidity on purpose so friends or influencers can buy in cheap. Later, they expect him to add all the Solana from his wallet into the liquidity pool, making the memecoin skyrocket. And the truth is, a lot of devs really do this. That's why bots and buyers are constantly watching for these tokens, and they jump in right away. Today, we're going to make our token look exactly like that. Check out this example. The creator launched it with low liquidity, but their wallet had a lot of Solana. Any buyer could grab the token at a super low price for a few minutes, and then it absolutely pumped. I'm going to create a token that looks just like that to buyers. I found a wallet with a lot of Solana, copied the address, and pasted it where it needs to go. I keep these settings enabled because it builds trust in the token. Now I'm going to copy the social media links from the memecoin I'm cloning and paste them here. To make the token show up everywhere, including dexscreener and Telegram bots, you need to create a liquidity pool. This can be done on platforms like PumpSwap, Radium, or even directly on the Luna Launchpad. Personally, I do it here because there's no extra fee. I've launched several tokens this way, and as you can see, all of them were profitable. I'm going to add 3 Solana and create the liquidity pool. You can add just 1 Solana if you want, but in my experience, after launching several tokens, profits tend to be better when you start with at least 3 Solana. That said, 1 Solana is still great and can bring good profits. Now, you need to choose how many of your memecoin tokens you want to add to the liquidity pool. I recommend adding 90%, which would be 900 million tokens. Then, set the fee to 2%, and that's it. Now I'm going to paste my wallet address here. This will be the true owner of the tokens and the one managing the liquidity pool. Now I click on Launch Token. A window pops up, and here I need to copy the address and send Solana to it. I've completed the transaction. I click on Check Transaction, and that's it. Now I can see my token's address. I copy the token address, go to dexscreener, and paste the address there. As we can see, our token is already live. We have some sniper bots that instantly bought the token, but that's not enough. We need to wait a few minutes until real people start buying. Note that dexscreener shows double the actual liquidity. That's because it also counts our token's value, and now our token has real value. Great, the first person just bought, but this is only the beginning. The memecoin market on Solana is extremely popular. Millions of dollars are spent every day by crazy traders chasing the next token that will a moon. I'm going to speed up the video a bit to see what happens over the next 15 minutes. Look at this, we have a lot of sniper bots buying our token. When the price starts going up, these bots buy automatically. Sometimes just a few dollars, but sometimes even thousands of dollars. I'm going to wait a few more minutes and see how much we're going to make. If I remove the liquidity now, that would be a little over 10 Solana. A great profit. Just look at how much our token has gone up. To remove the liquidity, all you need to do is go to your portfolio on Luna Launchpad, click the icon on the right, select 100%, and then click Remove Liquidity. That will send all the tokens to your wallet, and the token will be rugged. And that's it. So as we can see on dexscreener, the liquidity has been removed. Many traders make thousands of dollars every day buying cheap tokens like this, especially when the dev doesn't remove the liquidity and keeps promoting the token. So they just go with it and don't really care about the fact that some of them will eventually be abandoned. They know this is part of the game. Hope you like this little alpha drop. Let's hope this strategy keeps printing. And remember, this is for educational purposes only. You know what I mean? See you in the next video.